Wag yun mo dad ang baso. Get the glass.
One day you'll make it in your place in the sun.
Come here. Put the glass in the sink. Put the glass in the sink.
You gotta leave before you touch the sky. The dreams of man for chasing far and wide. It's when you find your way that's learning to fly. Because that's the Earth's magnetic field, and just trying to slow down the meteor and just slow down the impact. And you'll leave a huge crater. And sometimes, some meteors have superpowers. Some of them can give a person superpowers, and some of them. So,
Eat bread.
and some,
Bread ba?
oh, and also some meteors has full of radiation. Bathed in radiation. So, Mama, Mama, you know the meteor Apophis? It will crash into Earth. It'll crash into Earth.
And then?
It'll crash into Earth and then Dion. It'll crash into Earth. But NASA's dealing with something. NASA's trying to deal with it. So they send satellites to stop it, but not just any satellites. The laser satellites that will crack the rug. It'll crack.
That again? What was that?
I can tell a girl that likes me if she keeps talking to me and keeps looking at me and keeps helping me. I can tell a girl likes me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really? And that's what that girl did to you. Don't mention her name. And that girl did that to you?
Yes.
Is she good?
Yes. I can tell that she likes me.
And do you like her?
No, she doesn't even know that I like her.
I mean, do you like her? Answer me.
Almost 100%.
You like her?
Almost 100%.
So
Only
how
about
many percent?
99.
99% you like her.
I mean, no. 48%.
Why do you like her?
The vibes are just off.
What?
The vibes are just off.
What vice?
Vibes.
Vibes.
Kanang marag vibes. But
Yeah, I know.
you're observing someone, then if it's a cool vibe, meaning you like the vibe. But if it's an off vibe, meaning...
So her vibe is quiet good.
Meaning it's out of place.
So her vibe is quiet good for you.
Yeah, quite good.
It's cool.
No, only quite good.
Are you happy with her?
She doesn't even know that I'm happy with her.
Oh, oh my god. Come here. A date with this young boy. Hi! Pero unsan man akong buko. Palangga.
Mama, where are we gonna meet?
To our favorite spot. Boo! Hold me. Someone's boring.
I should not bring my phone, bruh. I wish I could bring my phone.
Morning guys. Happy Monday. Lunes na. Pag namahaw na ta. Ang atong sudan, ang sobrang inununan gabi eh. So, ako nagluto. Kahapon, karon. Mga bata mag-cereal ra. Nya akong inununan gipanihapon, gipamahaw. Sayang. Napay sabaw. Sayang. Mo ni siya'y tinuod nga gatipid. Kaduhaon ang sudan. Kurmang gud mukaon. Nga kape. Decaf with milk. Fights na. Basi na sad. Early ko kaya. Ang wasikasuhon ako mga anak. Siya na bit. Wait to ha. Kim, ayaw kalimti mong vitamins, Kim. Hey guys, naabot na ta sa office. Grabe ka traffic, struggle kayo. Wala ko ka vlog ganina kay wala gikirigan ako kas traffic jud kayo as in kay murag open na tanan. Private, public, college, elementary tanan-tanan. Ang akong anak nalisod og sakay, bagay ang isa kay dool ra. So here na ta, mao na to ang end sa ato ang long weekend, sa atong weekend, and see you for my next vlog. Thank you guys. Work, work, work. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.